So like this gradient glitch effect text. So basically we'll go to File, New. So step 1, create a document, A4, print. So just go for A4, print, do it landscape, call it glitch effect if you want to call it that. So, or liquid text will probably be better. Call it liquid text, create, and there's my document. So the next thing I'm going to do is write some text. So I'm going to type in let's think of a word. Create. Okay, so create the word create. Press Command T or edit, transform, scale. Hold the Shift key, scale it up like so. Okay, now I've got a very bespoke font on here, so I'm going to select the text. Okay, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select a font. So I've got Arizona, which is a very bespoke font. I'm going to hover through my list and I'm going to select, let's have a look. I'm going to select something like this. Okay, so I've got this font. I have actually reduced the spacing between the letters by selecting the letters. Go to Window, go to Character, and so Window, Character, and what I've done is I've reduced this, the spacing between the letters. You can always put it back. I quite like them a little bit together. So I've got them like this. Next thing you're going to do is right click the layer, go to Turn to Smart Object. So once you've done that, you're going to go to Filter. You're going to go to Blur. Blur Gallery. Go to Tilt Shift, and you're going to move this line up a little bit here like this. You're going to move this one up a bit like this. So you have to move the top one first in order to move the bottom one. So there we go. I think that's all it's going to go, to tell you the truth. So let's try it if it goes anymore. Nope. So that's all it's going to go. And then all you do is just sort of add a blur to your text like so. So you can move this up a little bit more like so. So you can move it in as well and it will blur out as well. So I'm just going to actually do this. That looks quite nice. And you can also tilt it as well if you want it like this. So I might tilt it a little bit like this. Once you're happy with it, press OK. Okay, so that's got a nice effect on it. The next thing I'm going to go to is Filter, Liquify. And here you might want to reduce the brush size a little bit, maybe to about 60. Pressure, about 60, maybe 70. Increase the brush size. And then all you're going to do is you're going to add like this kind of effect onto your text. So I'm just going to go like this. Pull that out that way maybe. Pull that one out like this. That one as well. That one. And that one. And maybe a bit over here as well. So quite like that. Okay, that. So I've done that. Next step is to go to your adjustments layer. Go to Gradient Map. And select Invert. So it's inverted. There is also some here, some other linear. You've got Classic. And you've got Perceptual. Leave it on Perceptual. Double click on this. Leave it your main color black, and then just click inside of this gradient. Double click on this. Add a color. So I'm going to add maybe a purple color like so. Maybe a bit darker, like there. Okay, so that's my first one. Then I'm going to click again, and I'm going to add a different color. So this time I'm going to add maybe a yellow. Okay, so okay that, or green. I'll click on that again maybe. You can actually click back into this and change it as well. So by moving this around, I'm going to add this yellow. And then this one, this white, I'm going to make this black. And it will look a bit like this. And then I'm going to add one more color maybe here. I'm going to add a red color. And I've got this really cool looking effect now in my text. I can sort of hover this around, adjust it as well. You know, sort of kind of if you want less black, more black, etc. So you can actually move these around to get them looking how you want them to look. So now I've got this quite cool effect. I'm quite happy with that, to tell you the truth. I've got okay that. If you want to add more stuff to it, you can obviously go to your layers panel and play around with your overlays and see what that comes up with as well. Just to see if you want some variations of style approaches. So I actually quite like it like that, to tell you the truth. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is a quick tutorial in liquid text using the tilt filter tilt effect as well to create this cool text effect. Thanks for watching.